Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a free AI platform you can use to generate AI videos without paying any money. No subscription, no hidden payments. And the interesting part is that this platform gives you free access to generate videos anytime you want. Alright, so if you have been looking for an AI tool to create cinematic videos, story videos, or any kind of AI content, then make sure you watch the video to the end, because I'm going to show you everything step by step. Okay, and even if you have used this AI before, don't skip this video because there are new things you still need to know about it. Okay, so let's get started. Now the name of the AI platform is Arena AI. But in case you have used this AI before, don't skip this video because there are new things you need to know about this AI. Okay, so right now I type the web address arena.ai. okay, and search it, and it will bring me to this page. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is sign up. Okay, so to sign up, you tap this icon at the top left corner of your screen. Okay, then below the sidebar you tap login. Okay, instead of me to type the email manually, I will simply tap continue with Google. Okay, then I will choose my Google account. Then I will choose this very one. Okay, then I will tap continue. Okay, and it will log me automatically. Okay, now to verify if you successfully logged in, you tap this icon again, and below sidebar you will see your email address there. Okay, all right, now let's use Arena AI to generate a story. Okay, but before that, let me quickly explain these tools below this message box. So the first icon that you are seeing now, this very one, is basically for selecting an image or files. Okay, so the next one is text commands. You can use it to ask the AI questions and it will give you your answers. Okay, then the next one is web search. Okay, so this web search is basically if you want the AI to get results directly from websites, you select that option. Okay, then the next one is image commands, and this is for generating images using prompts. Okay, then the next one is mainly for coding. If you want to design a website or mobile app, you can use that, but this one is basically for web developers. Okay, so the next one is video generator, and that is the main purpose of this video. Okay, now there are two ways to generate a video. The first one is by using a prompt, then the next one is by using image and a prompt. But in this video I will show you how to use only image to video generation. Okay, so already I have an image I want to use, so I will tap this icon. Okay, and I will tap on Photorider. Okay, so I will select this very picture. So this is the picture I want to use to generate my video. Okay, so as you can see, the image has been attached to the message box. Okay, so the next thing is to write the prompts describing your video. Okay, so I already saved my prompts inside the notepad, so I'll go to my notepad. Okay, this is the story I want to use. So as you can see, you have the scene 1, scene 2, and scene 3. Okay, so let's start with the scene 1. So this image prompt is what I used to generate the image I selected earlier. Okay, then this one is the dialogue. It's what I need to copy right now. Okay, so I will copy starting from here to this place. Okay, then I will go back to Arena and I'll paste it here. Okay, but before I submit, I have a specific characters in dialogue, which is the characters are the Clara and Daniel. So I want to specify the Clara by typing a woman, so that the AI will know that this person is a woman. Then for Daniel, I will do the same. I will type a man. Okay, after that, press this icon to generate the video, then tap agree to continue. Now you wait about 5 to 10 seconds depending on the speed of your internet. As you can see, the video is generating, and we actually have 2 videos generating at the same time. The first one we have here is assistant A, and if we scroll to the right, we have assistant B. Okay, so both of them will give you results, but with different style and quality. But I will show you what I mean very soon. Okay, now the videos are ready, so let's play it. Let's play this one first.
Daniel, this letter has my name on it.
Wait, who would leave something like that here?
Okay, this Arena logo, you can use CapCut to remove it. Okay, I think this one is okay. Let's check the next one.
Daniel, this letter has my name on it.
Wait, who would leave something like that here?
So as you can see, the video is so nice and with good quality. So I think for me, the assistant B is much okay. So that's my best. Okay, so I choose B as the best. Okay, so if I press B is best, it will show the AI module at the top of this video. So right now we press it. So as you can see, this is the name of the AI module. So you can see this one, this is AI mode. Okay, so the first one is Grok AI, while the second one is Happy Horse AI. Okay, so now if you want to download any of this video, you simply tap this icon. Okay, so I will tap it in order to save this video. Then you tap save video to save it. Okay, so it has saved to my gallery. Okay, so you can also edit the video if you want. Okay, you click this place and you enter the command again in order to edit the video. Okay, so but I don't want to edit any of this video. Okay, now Arena AI only allows you to generate 2 videos per day, but don't panic because there is a solution. Okay, so if you want to continue generating videos after using your 2 free generations, let me tell you what to do. You tap this icon again, then you tap your profile icon, this profile icon. Okay, after that you tap the 3 dotted lines, these 3 dotted lines. Okay, and you select delete account, then click delete account again, and this will remove your account from the platform, so you can create another account and continue generating videos again. So after doing that, you simply go back and sign up again and continue generating your videos. You click here again, then you click login, then you continue with Google, then choose the same account again, then you tap continue, and it will log you back again for you to start generating your video, as you can see. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and if you have any difficulties using this AI platform, type them in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates like this. Bye for now.